Welcome to another store.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you
So guys, nataron sa 4th floor, kids area. So we'll be checking out everything on sale here at the 4th floor. So nanak ko nagitan buy one take one diring dapita. So let's go ahead and check them out. Buy one, take one. Mga shorts sa kids. Mga t-shirt. Naray lang price. $3.50. Mga pants. Mga teenagers. Kani 30% off. %50. 25% off. Mga boys wear $2.99, so that's 25% off, guys. Diri dito sa infants. So if you want to give your mga inaanak, mga newborn inaanak, 20% off sila diri sa infant section. Kani sila 30% off ilahang mga nipples. Gamit kini guys if you don't know, mga feeding bottles need to have nipples changed often, especially if dako ng lungag. So if you might want to buy that, this one is 30% off ilang Avent na feeding bottles. 20% off here. Ilang mga training cups. There you go. 30% off. Mga pangkatug sa bata.
Yes, madam.
Hello.
How can I help you?
Mga sale akong gipang target.
Wow.
50%.
What sa mga kuan, ma'am?
Ipa-vlog nilang naka on promo.
Wow.
So mga gift ideas. So 199, 50% off pa na.
Kuan na lang dito, 99.
So 99 na lang ni. So mga ga-problema diha sa unsay regalo sa inyong mga kinugos na gagmay o naidaghan diri guys, 50% off. 129 kani dili ni discounted. Ah, sa dapit. Pila? 59? Hangers, apil? Oh my gosh, guys, 59 na ni diri na area. Kuha na ni tiurok na dito siya, wait. So, unsa ni feeding kanang plate? O more sulanan?
Sanction plate.
Pila 59? Oh, so mga gatinihik diha na mga ninong-ninang na itag 59 pesos lang na container. Na siya spoon and na siya container sa food. Oh, milk storage. Hala ka cute sa mga design. Giraffe. 59 pesos. Amazing. Murag mo palit na. Tignan na napalit. Okay. Pila ang wipes? Dili included. So mo ni ang price sa wipes nila. Pero mas ganahan ko ning dapita kay 59. Where else ate? Asa pa ilain? Sige, ubananti ka. Wow, 50% off on female kids clothes. Og diring dapita. 50% off gihapon. Grizzly. Gitur na ta ni ate. Oh, 179 pesos na lang na pajama set. Cute kay mga design na unicorn, na piso. Kani 179 gihapon siya. Amazing. December 31 gihapon niyang sale ko to.
17 na ni siya.
December 17? Ah, okay. So diri na area guys. Dili ang sa makeup rang 31 kutob ang sale. So diri sa kids section December 17 ra kutob ang sale. Okay, so gift ideas pajama set 179. Regular. Ha? Murag ipapost na ni next week. Okay, go. So, cute kayo mga colors, ang mga pajamas, amazing. 179. Asa pa? 149 pesos only. Supposed to be 199 pesos. Ka-cute naman lang, Jude. Sana all na baby girl. Okay. Maura dapit dire. Okay. So this is 20% off. Wa pa ni nakuha ino ang 1890? Wala pa. So this is the original price, less 20%. And there are a lot on sale here, 10% off on the rest. Kani 1574. Where else? High chair.
Tuk-tuk, 160.
Regular price is 2,299, 16 na lang. High chair and booster?
Yes.
Nganong booster?
Kuan na siya, ma'am. Multi-function.
Multi-function siya. Parang sa din na...
Pwede siya high chair, pwede siya lingkuranan, pwede
Ah.
siya kuan, ma'am, mabagbag siya.
Mabagbag.
Booster set, ma'am.
Pakita daw taani. Pwede siya kwaon? Na-curious ko kay wala ko kaagian ni pagkabata. So, pwede siya, asa tong bagbag? Ah, hand carry. Pwede siya i-hand carry. Amazing. 1699 rin siya, guys. Ayan. So, this is supposed to be 1,500. They're selling it for 999. Cute siya na dinosaur stroller. Lightweight and easy to carry. Where else? Mag-tour ta. What's your name, kuya? Ay na lang daw. Kamo na lang pag-ila-ila diri guys. 30% off on this stroller. Cute siya. Ligon tan-aon. Giant Carrier Stroller Perry ang brand. 2,835. Less of 30% off. Nice. Og design. Amazing. 10% off po ang ilahang kaning itom. Giant Carrier Stroller Sage. Ang Sage ang design di ay. Sage. Pwede ibalin-balin ang handle sa front o back. And this is 10% off. Sige, asa pa ta masuroy kuya. 40% off on this stroller, red and silver iyang color. This is the Baby First 3-fold stroller with car seat. Nindot ni. Pwede na siya sakyanan. 40% off. The price is 7,000 less na ni. Regular price is 11,999.75. Now it's 7,199.85 na lang. So nindot kay pwede siya sa car. Mga di auto diha, 40% off. This is 6,829, 4,780 na lang. 30% off on this crib. On this crib. Where else? Dito na po darapita. Lahi na po banda dito. Unsay mo ngan? Mili? Mili? Thank you, Kuya Mili. Merry Christmas. So guys, we're touring around the kids section here at the 4th floor. Ubay-ubay jud ang sale diri guys. So some are on sale until December 17. Other products are on sale until December 31st. So you might want to check it out for yourself. Daghan sila gi-sale na 40%, 50%, na 10%. So thank you so much Metro Stores for inviting me over here. So guys, once again, this is in Metro Store located in Ayala Center, Cebu, 4th floor. 50% off. 1,799. So for events, especially for Chinese kids. Red. Billswear. Cooperate, please. So Nerf guns are very common gifts for boys. There are prices ranging from $399.75, $849, $1,099.75 with free bullets in it, of course. And this is $1,199.75. Then laing sizes and colors. So if you want to purchase this for boys, you can visit this wing here at Metro Stores Kids section. Matsay. So buy one take one on these dolls. $30% off on these toys, cute puppies. $250 na lang siya. Shout out sa movie.
Shout out sa YouTube.
Shout out. This is 50% off. Pila ni siya unta. So this is great for kids actually because it can help with the mga visual nila na skills, mga reading skills. Bali siya, although bali siya. This So, mo na iyang itsura. 50% off. Pila ni siya ron?
Pila ni sa boss?
Naro ay, 399.
399.
200 na lang. So, this is only 200 pesos. Pwede na siya inyong higdaan. Pwede po ninyo tudloan inyong mga anak. og alphabet. There you go. So, this is, again, 50% off. Daghan pa sila og stocks. Unsa pa ilain. Thank you, kuya.
Sige, ma'am.
We have bikes on sale too. Pila kuya? 3,299. 3,499. They're selling it for 299. 2,099. So mo ni ilahang on sale. It's for big boys around 7 to 10. 5 to 8. Okay, 5 years old to 8 years old na kids can sumodo mo in sale nila guys. But they have a lot of designs. Nasa like purple, blue. Moto siya. And na po sila yung mga di baterya na kuya no na mga rechargeable. Dere, ang tanaw na to. How much is this kuya?
3499 ma'am.
Pila hala na. Wait sa ha.
Wala ko ma'am, wala mong glaze ma'am.
Wa sa na glass. But there might be people in Giunsa na to si ate. Okay. So pila ni
3499.
3499. Ang kanang pink same?
Same raw.
Kaning dako-dako
5999 ma'am.
5999. Napoy sa Kenan. Pila tong sa Kenan?
7 ma'am, 7999.
7999 ang katong mga auto. There. Mga rechargeable ni silang tanan. Okay. And but naapoy kani rechargeable gyapon nino.
Dili na siya ma'am.
Di ra manual ra ni mechanic. So mag sagyad-sagyad pang bataan ni, but this is 1,499 pesos. Na ay tag 799. 1,000. So daghan designs kapilian guys. Right. Unsa ni sa ubos same ra ni ani?
Ma'am, kanang
Mga box lang niya. Alright. So, thank you, kuya. So, guys, those are all the products in sale here at the 4th floor kids section at Metro Ayala Department Store. Don't forget, they will be on sale. So, guys, they have a Christmas rush sale on December 18 to 20. So, don't forget to visit them here at the Metro Ayala. We are right now at the kids section here at the 4th floor. So, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions about the products that I vlogged, please do leave them in the comment section.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.